Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create Mailchimp subscribe forms. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily capture new subscribers. First, we'll cover the basics of setting up your audience and choosing the right form type. Then, we'll dive into customizing the look and feel to match your brand. Get ready to boost your email list with professional and engaging forms. Now, let's focus on designing your form fields. Mailchimp offers a variety of field types, from simple text inputs for names to drop-down menus for preferences. You can easily add, remove, and reorder fields to collect the data most important to your business. Remember to mark essential fields as required, but keep your form concise to encourage completion. A well-designed form improves conversion rates significantly. Once your form is designed, it's time to get it out there. Mailchimp provides several ways to share your creation. You can embed the form directly into your website's code, or use a simple shareable link for social media and emails. Pop-up forms are also a powerful option for capturing attention. Always test your forms thoroughly across different devices to ensure they look and function perfectly for everyone. To maximize your subscriber growth, always follow best practices. Keep your forms short and sweet, only asking for essential information. Consider offering a small incentive, like a free guide or a 10% discount, to encourage sign-ups. Regularly review your form's performance data to identify areas for improvement. And hey, while you're optimizing, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. A well-optimized form is a powerful tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.